Rajasree Saha. I am from Kolkata, West Bengal. I have done my BTech from Kuchbehar Government Engineering College in 2021 in Computer Science Engineering. And after completing my BTech, I don't have any placement in my college. So that's why searching for new job oriented courses, and then I have introduced Webskitters Academy and started the new course in MERN Stack development. And my course, during my 6-month course in MERN Stack, I learned a lot of things in MERN Stack, and the faculty was very good. They helped me in many things whenever I stuck in program or else something. And they also give me a one-to-one mentorship whenever I need it. After completing my course, they give me a placement in a reputed firm. So now I have working in a React Native developer.